So how did we know that the market turnaround, the market reversal was going to take place today? Well, it's quite simple. There's certain things on the charts that you can simply observe that will indicate that the reversal is coming. So in this video, I will share with you specifically, regardless of whether you trade in stocks or whether you trade in stock options, how you can use this simple phenomena to identify when the market reversal is about to take place. So here on this chart, if you'll go to stockcharts.com and just pull up a basic chart of S&P 500, this is what you will see, something that looks like this. Now this is on a daily time frame. Okay, what you will see if we start looking right here, you will notice a black candle with a tail sticking out, and what follows this black candle is a huge drop. Next time we see a black candle right here, what follows it? A huge drop. The next time we see a black candle like this, what follows is a huge drop. As you can see, this is very repetitive and highly predictable. Take a look at this one. What follows is another drop. Now, as you can see, the magnitude of the drops following such a candle is varying depending on the circumstances. The largest one was here, but the fact that if you pay attention to these black candles on the charts, and by the way, different softwares are not going to show it in black color. Specifically, if you go to stock charts, and I show you stock charts because everybody has access to those at no extra cost, so anybody can go in their stock charts, plug in SPX as the ticker symbol, which would be right here for SPX 500. So $ SPX, you'll be able to pull up this graph and you'll be able to follow this right here. So again, another black candle, smaller move to the downside, another indication right here, followed by a small move downside, and again, we're getting a black candle. Okay, this to me is a sign of a market topping, and every time you see a black candle, to me, it actually is an indication that at these levels, when the stock prices reach these levels, when indices reach these levels, there's a number of institutional sellers that are actually coming in and they're simply taking profits off the table. So when you can identify these profit-taking opportunities, you should simply expect a reversal, which is exactly what's taking place today. And as you can see on many occurrences throughout this chart. So this is not something that just happens once. This is something that you can pay attention to repetitively. Now, it's always a good thing to just look at more than one indicator. So if you're wondering, what are some of the other symbols, what are some of the other signals, what are some of the other signs that we were observing that made us believe today was going to be a reversal, regardless of how many bullish comments we've heard in the market over the last 30 days, okay, regardless of how many times they're going to increase the price targets on certain stocks. These reversals, as you can see on these charts, they are real, they are there, and when they do happen, they happen fast. And very cool thing is, as you can see, sometimes they are not happening just on a single day, but they happen on multiple consecutive days, which for options traders, this is exactly how you make a fortune. If you trade weekly options, literally within a matter of 70 to 2 hours, if you get a consecutive drop for 3 days in a row, sometimes you can get returns to the extent of 3,000–4,000%. So if you're wondering how to get those returns, simply click the link below this video. Okay, get a free PDF where I give you all the details on how I turned 12K to 466K, trading options in less than 7 hours. Also register for the course, the chart course, if you're struggling with reading charts, if you're intimidated by charts, if you'd like to identify maybe some simple things like this that could position you to be a better trader, whether you're trading daily, whether you're trading, long term. Some things like this could really save you a ton of money. It could really open up your eyes towards some really great, profitable opportunities. So again, click the link below. Take advantage of the course because I'll literally compile a ton of data in there, a ton of charts to help you get better as a trader. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.